All right, so let us start the session for today. So today we're going to look at the transformation called append query. For demonstrating the append queries, we'll get a sample data. Let me browse for the Excel file desktop. Let me get the data. Maybe it's a CSV file. Click on CSV file and get from desktop. Yes. So let me just pull in sales 2018 as well as we have another file called sales 2019. Sales 2018 data looks like this. We got order ID, order date. We have two dates basically, order date 2, sales, etc. So I'm going to just click on transform data so that I'm landing on Power Query editor. And instead of going back to get data, I will try to get the next CSV file directly from here by going to the new source, click on CSV, get another file 2019 and click on OK. So right now I have two different data sets, right? One is the 2018 data, which you can see order date is all about 2018. And then we have 2019 data and the order date column, the date column which you see is all about 2019 data. The append queries is more relevant when you have a specific set of data, especially when you get a daily data. Let's say you have every day you're getting data and you wanted to club them all together, maybe append together. That's when it is useful. Or maybe you have different years data. As you can see, we have 2 years data here. And if you wanted to club them together, yes, append data is required. You have already saw what is all about merge queries, right? Merge queries is something which you wanted to merge two different tables which are more kind of related, and there is a common key in both of the tables. That is a major requirement. Whereas in append queries, the requirement is the two tables should have almost equal number of columns. So you can see we have 12 columns in here, and order ID, order date 2, and you can see the sequence, sales, revenue, etc. And it goes to promo, discount 2. And if you look at the first table as well, more or less it is looking the similar structure. And there are a couple of requirements that you need to take care. The first one is the number of columns should be same, right? And the second one is the column data type should be same. Okay. So if you see the first table, order ID is 1, 2, 3, and order date is date format. The data types is sales is 1, 2, 3. So you need to make sure the next table is also almost the same data. Okay, so that is one of the important requirement. Okay, these two requirements needs to be fulfilled. Then you will be able to generate the output which is more in a consistent or in right format.